Okay, so I've been Asda and aldi. So I picked up in Asda vegan by ingredient, the Aunt Bessie's apple pie. Love this. Bloody gorge. Yeah, I had to check then. I thought, where's the other tube gone? 2 tubes of the barbecue faux Pringle things that are vegan by ingredient. Some soya milk. It's about 59p. Just pick one up. The no beef and red wine pies. I've not seen them before, so picked up a box of them. I wanted some more festive bakes, but they were completely out. I got this chap to surf through all of them just to see, and all gone. I think I had what there was the other day, just like literally 2 boxes, but I'm going to go to another one and see if I can find them elsewhere. Another tube. I know I got some of these the other day, but I picked up another 4 bags of these because I always eat these. They make a nice, quick, easy tea. Bit of these, bit of pasta, bit of pesto dressing or tomato and red wine sauce. Dead easy. So that's that. Oh shit! Sending it all flying. Oh, and on the floor, and finally from Aldi, a packet of the rashers. Fabulous. Right, on to the next one. I'm going to put these back in the bag. And that can go out by the freezer. We'll check hats coming down. And then hula hoops, the Asda ones. 1 Kit Kat from vegan. What else is there? Cat stuff. And then these, which are just gorgeous. These are the buttermilk caramel nugget bars. £1.50, but they're really nice as a little treat thing. I love them. They're like the vegan equivalent of the Mars bar. Tasty. So that's them. And that's it. Right. Tatty bye.